I'm Sergey Luzhevsky, a portfolio manager with Gabelli Funds. Today, I would like to highlight Anterix, a small-cap wireless communications company focused on commercializing its 900 MHz spectrum to enable deployment of private broadband networks by its targeted utility customers. Listed on NASDAQ under ticker ATEX, it has 19 million shares, trading around $22 for $416 million equity market cap, and about $41 million in net cash. The stock is down from low 30s last December to low 20s, largely due to lack of new contract agreements and some investor concerns that Grain Management's recently announced purchase of 800 MHz spectrum from T-Mobile would enable a direct competitor to Anterix. With that said, the company launched Anterix Accelerator Industry Engagement Initiative earlier this year, and management has been pleased with progress on discussions and negotiations with a number of utilities. In addition, Anterix remains optimistic about ultimate regulatory approval of a plan that would expand its spectrum band from 6 to 10 MHz, making the firm more valuable. We view current valuation as attractive, as the company's spectrum portfolio is trading at a rather undemanding 24 cents per MHz pop. Our base case valuation is based on $1 per MHz pop, supported by recent spectrum auction and secondary transaction prices, which leads to a private market value estimate in the low 90s. What gives us comfort about our base case is that in each of the 8 deals with utilities that Anterix signed so far, spectrum valuation was anywhere between 90 cents and $2.60 per MHz pop. We believe that in the long run, this company could be acquired by one of the national wireless operators or larger vendors to the utility industry, as well as private equity or infrastructure funds. Thank you.
Sergey Luzhevsky is a portfolio manager at Gabelli Funds. The above webcast is an excerpt from Gabelli TV that appeared on September 22, 2025. GAMCO is providing these links as a matter of general information. We do not intend for these links to be a complete description of any security or company, nor is it a research report with respect to any of the companies mentioned herein. As of June 30, 2025, affiliates of GAMCO Investors Incorporated beneficially own 2.89% of Anterix. The analysts' views are subject to change at any time based on market and other conditions. The information in this posting represents the opinions of the analyst and is not intended to be a forecast of future events, a guarantee of future results, or investment advice. Views expressed are those of the analyst and may differ from those of other GAMCO officers, analysts, other employees, or of the firm as a whole. Because the investment personnel at GAMCO and our affiliates make individual investment decisions with respect to the client accounts that they manage, these accounts may have transactions inconsistent with the information contained in this posting. Certain GAMCO personnel may know the substance of the posting prior to its posting. This webcast is not an offer to sell any security, nor is it a solicitation of an offer to buy any security. Stocks are subject to market, economic and business risks that cause their prices to fluctuate. When you sell shares, they may be worth less than what you paid for them. For more information, a prospectus, or summary prospectus, visit our website at www.gabelli.com or call 800 Gabelli 800 422 3554 914 921 5100 fax 914 921 5118 info@gabelli.com